provoke the hand that'll choke your man up, yo. Grinding for hours, cause hope is for cowards. Trying to make more dough than flour. Foes notice the power. Competition and opposition get knocked out of position. We living like we ain't got a pot to piss in. Enough flows to touch souls. Too tough to fold, too hot to hold. Stop, pop, and go. This our pod to go. Our time to roll. Out of the cold, into our zone. Leave us alone, yo. The difference between winning and losing is picking and choosing your enemies, your friends to be and who your crew is. Let's get it together, no matter the weather. Haters, nothing can break us as long as we making this cheddar. We ballin' like Lakers, we movers and shakers. No one can do it how we do it, showing and proving my crew's the greatest. All real. Pitch black on my grill. Underground past the pavement. We be wildin' on the corner freestyling. It's the fact that I'm dope. Realize it's all real. Pitch black on my grill. Underground past the pavement. We be wildin' on the 5 on the 24 as Pippen backs away. It'll be Michael to beat the shot clock. And hit it.
Jordan isolated against Stokes. 5 seconds. 4. You see it in the lower left. Jordan, 3 moves.
Wow! Against Cheeks. Jordan, top of the circle. Barkley has him. Michael spins left of the lane. Fakes, lean in, hang, jumper. 39.
Jordan. Hornacek up on him. With the left hand, he leans in to run off the glass. Jordan wheels inside around Anderson.
Sixers up 16, and Michael Jordan right baseline under pressure. Lean in shot. He banked it in.
He's here tonight. Michael starts to drive, spins, comes underneath, finds Dennis in the lane. Dennis lays it.
Second game as head coach of the Knicks, and the Knicks beat the Bulls 104-72.
Moving up to Clerk. Turns inside.
The green shot! Elijah spinning one way. Back outside. Trying to turn baseline.
Head of Drexler. In it comes now Hakeem. Spin move. Look at that. How many moves did he make?
Into the post to Elijah. Turns, comes around Michael Thompson. Slam dunk.
This game, but he's been injured quite a bit. Elijah shoots the green shake. Over Longley.
Gorgeous spinning jump shot. Deflected by Hopper. Elijah with a spectacular move. Hakeem Olajuwon showing the spin. Hakeem Olajuwon back on the floor. Off the head fake. Hits.
Elijah goes.